Okay, students, today we will discuss about new chapter, that is aldehyde ketone. Okay, previously already we learned that is haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol and ether. Today new chapter, that is aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid. Actually, why we read aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid in a single unit? Because aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, all these three groups have a definite functional group, that is called carbonyl group. You know, this is carbonyl group, C double bond O. What is valency of carbon? Valency of carbon is 4. Carbon is tetravalent. That means carbon have 4 valency. Okay. If you take a group, CO group, normally CO group, then what happened? Carbon and oxygen combine by only 2 bonds, and there are again 2 bonds rest. So this group is called carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. So today we learn about carbonyl group, and our chapter is aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone. Okay. So why we learn aldehyde and ketone in a single chapter? Because aldehyde and ketone both have same functional group, that is carbonyl group. It is the reason. Okay. Now, what is difference between aldehyde ketone and what is your functional group? Okay. Now, this is carbonyl group. Okay. Then how we define aldehyde? When carbon atom of carbonyl group, listen carefully, when carbon atom of carbonyl group link with one alkyl group and one normal, that is hydrogen, then what is the formation? The new compound is RCHO, which is called aldehyde. But if there are two same or different alkyl group in a carbonyl group, means this is carbonyl group, this is carbonyl group. If we add two same or different, it may be same or different, but what? Alkyl group. Alkyl group means this is R, this is R, or you may say R or R dex, means in this first one R and R means the two alkyl groups are same, methyl, methyl, ethyl, ethyl, butyl, butyl. In this R and R dex means, what is the meaning? Methyl, propyl, ethyl, pentyl, change. So you may take this one or you may take this one. This new group is called ketone, that is RCOR or RCOR dex. It is called ketone. It is called ketone. Okay. So when you consider aldehyde and ketone, first you have to learn carbonyl group, that is CO group. If how to define aldehyde and ketone? How to define? If first define aldehyde. How to define aldehyde? If carbon atom of carbonyl group, this is carbonyl group. If carbon atom of carbonyl group link with only one alkyl group, that is R, only one alkyl group, then this new group is called aldehyde, that is RCHO. Okay. Similarly, if you define ketone, what is ketone? This is CO, carbonyl group, and there are two bonds. If carbonyl group link with two same or different, first condition is same, second condition is different. Same or different two alkyl group, then our new functional group is RCOR or RCOR dash. It is called ketone. Understand what is difference between aldehyde and ketone? What is difference between aldehyde and ketone? In aldehyde there is single or one alkyl group, but in ketone there are two same or different alkyl groups. What are alkyl groups? Alkyl groups are these are alkyl groups. These are alkyl groups. It may same or different. So it is confirmed that when there are two alkyl groups in a carbonyl compound, that is ketone. When there is only one alkyl group in carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde. Okay, fine. Now, how to name the aldehyde and ketone? Naming or IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming का प्रोसेस क्या है? फर्स्ट कंसीडर aldehyde. First consider aldehyde. Okay. In IUPAC system, aldehyde is named as suffix Al. How it is named? It is named as suffix Al. One is suffix and another is prefix. Yes or no? Haloalkane, haloarine, halogen, chlorobutane, chloropentane, that are prefix, and in aldehyde Al it is suffix. Suffix means after the main carbon chain, that is but, pent, इसके बाद after. So how to name this compound? HAL. Consider one example. First, what is the first compound? CH4. If we consider CH4, listen carefully. It is CH4. One hydrogen will remove and CHO group will attach. Then our functional group is, then our new compound is CH3CHO. Now look carefully. What is the number of carbon? In this compound? Now total carbon is 2. There are 2 carbon. So name of this compound is, for carbon 2, that is ethane. This compound is ethanal. 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 Okay. So what is first compound? First compound is HCHO. It is methanal. Or in common name you can say formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. In common name you can say formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde and this is acetaldehyde. In common name system, this is formaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, and methanol, ethanol. Now come to some advanced naming. That is some advanced naming like CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CHO CH3. Can you name this compound? This compound. Remember, in aldehyde, the functional group is CHO. This is functional group. Yes or no? Aldehyde. What is the functional group of aldehyde? CHO. In aldehyde, the functional group CHO always in the first position. So, if there is CHO, without thinking about any other, you choose this carbon as 1. No doubt, it is clear. Then what is second carbon? It is second carbon. Then what is third carbon? It is third carbon. Then what is 4? Obviously, this is 4 and this is 5th. Now, what is your extra group? Extra group is CH3. So, how to name this compound? 1, 2, 3. In 3 position, there is extra group, that is methyl. So, 3-methyl, 3-methyl pentanal. Remember this one, pentanal, 3-methyl pentanal. Okay. Now, another one, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CHO. How to name this compound? There are two functional groups. One is OH and one is CHO. How to name? Remember, if there are both alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid group, then first preference goes to carboxylic acid, then aldehyde. It is the rule, naming of organic compound. So here groups are alcohol and aldehyde. Since alcohol and aldehyde both present, we have to choose important one as aldehyde. So OH becomes a substitute. If OH becomes substitute, then what is the name? Hydroxy. Okay. So what is the name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 3 position hydroxy, 3-hydroxy hexanal. 3-hydroxy okay. Now for aromatic compound, suppose like this, CHO. This is simple benzaldehyde. Now name this one, CHO, Cl. CHO position is 1, 2, then 3. What is the name? 3-chlorobenzaldehyde or M-chlorobenzaldehyde. 3-chlorobenzaldehyde or M-chloro. Okay, 3-chlorobenzaldehyde or M-chlorobenzaldehyde. Remember, in the cyclic compound, the position ortho, meta and para, there are 3 different positions. In this is CHO, first position. If a substitute present in this position, that is, this is first position and this is second position, any substitute, then this position is called ortho. This position, that is third, is called meta, and this position, fourth position, is called para position. Okay. So in this way, if you name another compound CHOBr, then what is the name? P bromobenzaldehyde, because it is para position P bromo benzaldehyde or 4-bromo, P bromo or 4-bromo. So it is the basic of nomenclature of aldehyde. Now what is the basic nomenclature of ketone? Okay, what is the basic nomenclature of ketone? Ketone name as ONE. Ketone is named as ONE. In IUPAC system, name of ketone is given as ONE. So how to name? First CH3CO CH3. This is compound containing 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. As there are 3 carbons, name is propane and ONE, that is propanon. What is the name? Propanon. But there is a common name. In common name, it is called acetone. It is called acetone, or you may say dimethyl ketone, or you may say dimethyl ketone. In standard 11 already you know about this. So today class like a revision and for your better practice of the IUPAC naming. So consider one more example: CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. What is the name? What is the name? What is the total number of carbon? Total number of carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously name is butanol. Name is butanol. But in common name you can write, listen, this is functional group. What is functional group? Functional group is this one, CO. And there are 2 groups. This is ethyl group, this is methyl group. Okay. So for if you consider ethyl and methyl, then first is ethyl according to alphabetical order. So your name is ethyl methyl ketone. Name is ethyl methyl ketone. In common name ethyl methyl ketone, or in IUPAC name it is butanol, as there are 4 carbon. Okay. Now consider a group containing both aldehyde and ketone. Suppose CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CHO. In this group there is CO, that is ketone, and there is CHO, that is aldehyde. How to name? In the preference order, in the order of preference, first come that one is aldehyde. If a simple carbon chain there are both aldehyde and ketone, then how to name this compound? That compound is named as aldehyde. And this CO group is taken as oxy, 4-oxy or 5-oxy. Okay. So name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 3-oxy pentanal. Okay. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is aldehyde always placed in first position, and aldehyde have more priority what is the priority मतलब naming, priority of naming in case of aldehyde is highest among the ketone. If there are both groups, ketone group and aldehyde group, then we have to name that is aldehyde, not ketone. Okay. So this is about some basic of our first day, that is aldehyde and ketone. In next class we will learn some advanced topic. Advanced topic मतलब एक कंपाउंड है CHO, CH2, CH2, CHO. How to name this compound? There are two aldehyde group, 1 and 1. How to name this compound? There are like this compound CHO, CH2, CH, CHO, CH2, CHO. How to name this compound? Okay, there are like this compound, double bond O. How to name this compound? Okay, there are various type of compound, C double bond O, CH3. In all these groups, in this compound there are 2 CHO group, in this compound there are 3 CHO group, in this compound the ketone group is present in this position. How to name this type of compound? In next class we will discuss about naming of some advanced compound, and after that we will read about preparation and property. Okay, so that's for today. Okay, thank you.